Hi everyone, welcome to HTML Bootcamp Session 12. Today we are going to discuss about HTML Marquee tag. So HTML Marquee tag is used for scrolling piece of text or images displayed either horizontally, across or vertically down. So whatever you want to see, it will your text or your image, it will be moving horizontally or vertically. And a marquee element comes in a pair. It means that the tag has opening and closing element, and it has a different attribute called background color, direction, loop, height, width, and other thing like scroll delay. If you want to delay the scroll, it define like how long the delay between each jump should be there. Then height you can define in pixel. So that's what we are going to see today. So let's create a marquee element. So I will create a simple marquee. Okay, I think I'm writing something wrong here. It should be marquee. Okay, now I'm writing hi, welcome to the LeanX. Open in browser. Can you see this text is scrolling or it's moving from right to left, and again you will see it will again come from here. Got it? So this is how the marquee work. Let's try some different kind of marquee tag. So different kind of property of this marquee tag. We can write a different color, marquee, marquee, and then we can write here something like education consultant, and then we can define some different color here. So I can write a background color of marquee as a cyan. Let's see what will happen. Can you see the background color? It's there in cyan color. Now if I want to increase the width and height, then what I should do? Let's see. So if I say width equal to 50%, what will happen? Can you see what's the width? It's 50%. Now this width, what I want to do, I want to make this particular marquee to be displayed in between. So what I can do, if I want to display this particular marquee, so we can write, or directly I believe we can never write like a line equal to center or something. So we have to create one small paragraph, and under paragraph tag you can write this particular thing. So I can write paragraph, and under paragraph if I write a line equal to center, now you can see. This marquee has been displayed in middle of this particular page. Okay, now we have seen a normal marquee which is running from left, or which is running from right to left. We have seen a marquee background color which we can change. We have also seen that we can change the width. We can also change the alignment. Now if I want to make the direction from right to left, it's working in similar way. But if I want to make it from left to right, then what I should do? So if I write here direction equal to left, something will happen, or will it work in similar way? So it's working in similar way. If I make it as a right, can you see? It's going toward right. It's going toward left, but it's going towards right. If I want to increase the height, then I can write like 200. Can you see? The height has been increased. And if I say the direction top, then what will happen? Let's see. Okay, seems like for top it's not working. So it should work. Okay, background color, this direction height is equal to 200. Let's see if it can work. No, it's still not working. But for some, I've seen like the direction, if you're putting as a top or bottom, it should work. Or if I say up, I don't think it should work for up. Oh, it's working. So you have to write up and down, I believe. If I write here down, okay, so there is nothing called top or bottom, but it's called as right, left, and then up and down. And this is the way it will work. Then we can also write its behavior. So if I write this particular behavior as a slide, so right now I'm making it as right, it's going to right direction, and I'm making its behavior as a slide. Let's see what will happen. So it's going from left to right in right direction, and it will slide now. It means it will get stop here itself. But if I make it as alternate, then what will happen? Let's see. So I made it as an alternate. It's coming here and it's moving here. So it's just bouncing back. These are different properties which we can use. And if I want to change the color or some name or something, so if I want to make it as a white, so right now we can see everything is there in black, so directly we cannot make it, so I have to write a font tag here. Then I need to close it with a font tag, and under font I can mention like whatever color, could be white. Now you can see color has been changed to white. So this we did with an text. We can also do same thing with any image. So if I write here and if I put some image here, .png, let's see if image is there. Okay, I believe I have written something wrong, because directly you cannot write any image. For image we have already discussed that there is a tag called img, and then you have to make source, and then you have to write particular correct thing. I hope it should work now. Or if there is no image, then it will never come. So we have a marquee tag, we have an image, and you made a mistake while writing source. So it's not scr, it's src. If we again run it, now finally we can see the image is coming. So again there are different property which we have discussed, like there could be a scroll delay which define how long to delay between each jump. Then there could be loop which specify how many times to loop. The default value is infinite, which means that the marquee loop is endless. Then you can define height, it define the height of marquee, direction up, down, left, right, background color, then behavior, whether it should be scroll, it should be slide, it should be jumping, like alternate value. So all this thing we have discussed, and that what we'll revise now, what we have discussed in marquee. So we know that HTML marquee is used for scrolling piece of text or image anywhere horizontally or vertically, down, up, left, right. There are different attributes called as behavior, background color, direction, height, loop, scroll delay, width. And then we have seen different marquee attribute. So we have seen that this particular thing was moving from, it's moving towards left, this particular thing was moving towards right, this was having a property known as slide, and this was having a property alternate, and then we have an image which was moving again towards left. So a particular, like we can say that marquee is nothing but it's a tag which is used for scrolling piece of a text or image displayed either horizontally across or vertically down your website page depending on the setting. So this is all from my side. If you like this particular video, please like, share, subscribe, and if you have any doubt, please reach out to me. Everything will be given in the description. Till that time, thank you so much. Keep learning, keep sharing.